Hello, this is Erica Slayton with Wallach and Volk Mortgage, and I'm doing another proactive video for what could go wrong. So in a mortgage transaction, as I've mentioned in prior videos, there's a lot of moving parts. There is many individuals involved in making your dream of owning your home a reality. There is so much paperwork that we have to do, so much data entry that we have to do, and I don't care if it's an online lender saying that they are super fast and that they're all automated. There's a lot of details. Whether we're paperless or not makes no difference. The details are still the same. And the reason is because we all have the same guidelines that we have to underwrite to. And there are something though called overlays. So I want to talk a little bit about that, because an overlay means that the guidelines are set in stone. The guidelines are dictated by the different entities that control that particular loan program. So for example, HUD oversees the FHA loan program, and therefore they write the rules for the FHA loan. So all of the different regulations and laws, and not laws, but regulations in regards to FHA are dictated by HUD. So in that regard, we all have to follow those rules. Those are our minimum rules we have to follow. But our employers and the banks and the mortgage companies that we work for have a risk threshold that they would like to adhere to make sure that our doors stay open, make sure that we have the capacity to be able to do mortgage loans and not make poor decisions in those lending decisions that our underwriters have to make. So an overlay is basically an extra guideline that a company has put into place on top of the minimum guidelines. So for example, I'll give you one. FHA states that in order to get a 3.5% down payment, that you have to have a 580 minimum credit score. However, a lot of lenders out there will not accept a 580 credit score, and so that causes a lot of confusion. So that's kind of one of the topics of today's what could go wrong, and that is that why am I hearing all these different numbers from people? Why is one lender telling me my credit score needs to be X when this other lender is telling me it needs to be Y? That's because of overlays. It's very important for you to understand whether or not the lender that you as a real estate professional or you as a consumer choose to work with have them or not. So please be sure to know and ask questions. The only way for you to know anything is by asking questions, right? And investigating and learning. So please ask, do you have overlays? If so, what are they? What are the kinds of things that is going to impact your ability to be able to get a mortgage loan? Be in the know, be educated, and know that this is a fantastic process to be able to be in your dream home. And we would love to help you here at Wallach and Volk Mortgage to enable you to do that. My name is Erica Slayton with Wallach and Volk Mortgage. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to be able to deliver you regular information as well as my other topics that I discuss on a regular basis. Make it a great one.